Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport carrying, but just want to show you on this vehicle we're working on. We just finished a major service and we took the actual battery off. There's a battery and the actual cover off, so we can get to the actual top of this gearbox, the gearbox filter. At the same time, we need more room so we can actually put our hand down here and change the coupler. That was leaking, so I got two coupler, top one and bottom one, and replaced it. And we've done a pressure test and it's holding pressure, it's not leaking. And we have checked the water pump, there's no leak from the water pump whatsoever. And then we checked all the coolant hoses around here and the cooler. That's why when you do a major service, you got to take all this off. You got to inspect it properly rather than just guessing and hoping it's all good. So that's where we are at the moment. One thing I got to point out is we have removed the three bolts here for the gearbox mount there. Here's your gearbox mount, this one here. And before we put that in, we took it off so we can actually check the actual play by removing it and using a support stand jack underneath here. And then what we found is this part here is just flopping around, moving a lot. So I'm going to advise the customer while we're here, before putting everything back on, to actually replace this gearbox mount. Looks like it's the original one, and I'm not sure if they've done the engine mount before, but looks like the engine mount is just starting to tear there. You can see the rubber here, there's a line. Look properly there, see the line there? There's a line there, see it's tearing, it's torn, so it's starting to tear on the corner, just starting to actually move a little bit. But I'll give the option to the customer. Definitely we're going to do a gearbox mount, but I'll ask him to do both rather than just doing one, and then we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.